My name is Dinesh Muammar bin Muhammad Kamal. Matrix number is 122630. First, I will talk about executive summary about the documentary. The documentary shows us about how concrete plays an important role in building construction in human civilization. Concrete has many different formulas. The basic formula is sand, crushed rock known as aggregate, water, and cement. Concrete has been used in many parts of the world, and each of them has unique and different formula, which are used to solve their own problem in construction. For instance, Roman Empire used volcanic ash to transform their material to become powerfully strong concrete. And next, the Panama Canal also use smaller rocks in their mix so that their building will be leak proof. And the Hoover Dam use less water in their formula, so it will prevent cracks in their building and can handle extreme situation. Next, the Burj Khalifa use unique mix in their concrete, which is microsilica, which give the concrete added strength. So they are able to building tallest building in the world, that is Burj Khalifa. Next, concrete also plays important role for future construction. Scientists today are developing new formulas for concrete to make it stronger, more environmentally friendly, and capable of doing things that were once thought impossible.
So for the introduction, there are the importance of concrete in modern society that cannot be overestimated. Concrete is a composite material which is made up of a pillar and a binder. As we know, cement is a mixture of compounds made by burning limestone and clay together at very high temperatures that range from 1400 until 1600 Celsius. Although there are other cement for special purpose, this module will focus solely on Portland cement and its properties. The production of Portland cement begins with a quarrying of limestone. The mixture is heated in kilns that are long rotating steel cylinders on a incline.
Today I would like to present about defining and framing the issues. As you can see at the slide, there are three: innovative employees, trends and current practices, and nature of employments. Firstly, innovative employees. Based on the video, you can see that civilization came up with such innovation such as concrete to be one of the important materials in the world of construction. Although the concrete with a wrong formula can lead to a tragedy, such as in 1985 Mexico city's last great earthquake. The earthquake killed as many as 10,000 people. And the reason this tragedy happened because most of the building that has been investigated after the tragedy, there are many signs the concrete has a bad concrete form. The second one, trends in current practices. In the video also, we can see that efficient technology can help to produce more concrete efficiently and faster. For example, in the project of the Panama Canal, there are two concrete plants on both construction sites humming along and together, producing 160,000 tons of concrete per month. In all, the project will need 6.5 million cubic yards of concrete and 250,000 tons of reinforcing steel. These concrete plants are designed to produce 21 yards in 5 minutes and casting with the cooling system. Lastly, nature of employment. So we can look at the video. The workplace is lack of safety awareness and no use of PPEs, personal protective equipment. We can take example from the event Panama Canal, where the earlier French attempt had led to the death of more than 20,000 workers, and America's effort fared little better. Between 1904 and 1913, some 5,600 workers died due to disease and accidents.
Next, we can relate the documentary with managerial decision making. In the documentary, we saw that the people that lead the construction are making many crucial decisions. Decisions are related to the level of uncertainty, risk, ambiguity encountered by managers when making the decision. In a perfect world, managers would have all the information necessary to make decisions. However, in reality, some things are unknowable and thus some decisions will fail. In the documentary, it shows some failures in decisions made by previous people when doing construction. For instance, Mexico City was rocked by an earthquake and it caused big damage. An investigation reveals that the building used inferior concrete, so it doesn't have its expected strength. Thus, it caused the building to destroy and collapse as a result of bad decision making.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Hairi Izwan bin Suhaimi, my metric number 1182869. I will explain the next chapter related to the documentary, the chapter 4, managing in a global environment. Okay, firstly, globalization also indicate the amount to which commerce and investment, information, social and cultural ideas, and political collaboration move across nations, lead to greater independence among nations and industry and individual. A few significant foreign firm. The next is the global environment is a collection of global force, law and situation that organization must contend with if it decide to become a worldwide organization. This force may exist the outside of the organization limits and authority. Yet it is certain that this condition have an impact on management ability to use a various resource that from related documentary understanding. Global outsourcing involve participating in the international division of labor so that job activity may be done in nation with the lowest source of labor and suppliers from many foreign countries to build this mega project. Okay, for the next chapter, the third chapter is chapter 12, managing human talent. Okay, human resource management means the design and deployment of formal process in an organization to ensure the effective and efficient utilization of human potential to meet organization goal. Talent as management is described as the carefully managed purposely process of getting the right talent on board and helping them grow to their optimal capability, keeping a corporate objective in mind. Second, refer to the commentary above. In United Arab States (UAE), many firms have still to comprehend the benefit of having a team of highly motivated personnel. The United Arab Emirates has had a significant rate of increase in the number of economic migrants, especially in the city of Abu Dhabi. In the country industrial sector, immigrants form almost 60% of the workers. However, with time they get affected badly if the management fail to take adequately. It means that whether a corporation is hiring cost country or third country nationals, good management or personnel is vital in boosting their performance. Through this thesis, the researcher will identify this deficiency in project human resource management and ways of addressing them. Okay, thank you. That's all.
In conclusion, the construction sites have a high accident rate due to a lack of information about construction-related hazards. Most of construction workers are illiterate and so are unaware of a hidden workplace. Then, building the innovative employee in a long-term foundation always changing. So that's how it is very vital to understand the company's ability to innovative improve. So the last part is about recommendation. So we have three recommendations to solve the problem. The first one is get personnel to get engagement, because even if they are already have innovative employees, it is also necessary to get personnel to get engagement. Engagement is one of the key to create a sense of working with humans, not with robots, and to launch all the work movement that should be done by the employees. Next, give a clear market signal. The government should consider giving a clear market signal by setting a target date for the achievement of net zero carbon emissions in cement production or in the construction sector. And the lastly is encourage more open approach. The policymakers need to consider how to encourage more open approach to data among existing and future market players.
Next, the lesson we can learn from the documentary is first, we must have a great skill in managing to lead a big project. For instance, in the documentary, they are able to build amazing construction because they have an exceptional skills in managing. Next, another lesson we learn from this documentary is teamwork. Teamwork is a vital part in any type of organization. To build amazing structures such as in the documentary video, they must work together to achieve the plan they have made. For instance, the Burj Khalifa, the Panama Canal, and the Hoover Dam. These mega structures would never stand without the teamwork. Hence, we learn that teamwork is essential to achieve great things in life.